Let me show you how to monetize your TikTok accounts. Now, if you're on TikTok and you're starting to grow a following and you want to earn money associated with those views, I'll show you how to do it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, first, let's open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android. And we need to get to your settings to be able to turn on monetization and have access to everything. The first thing we'll do is go to your settings, and from here, we need to make sure you have a business account. Now, this isn't required to start monetizing, but it is highly recommended. It gives you a lot of added benefits. It gives you access to the commercial music library. It has a bunch of analytics, information about your account. So if you do monetize, you should switch to a business account. It's completely free. Now, after you've gone through the process of switching to that business account, we need to get to your TikTok studio. So tap into the TikTok studio and you'll be able to see first your analytics, but also monetization. I'll walk you through how to set this up. If you scroll down a little bit, it says programs for you, and let's hit view all. These are all of the monetization programs, and you'll be able to see where you are in relation to access to those. You can see eligible to apply for Service Plus, but I'm still not eligible for the Creator Rewards program. I can tap on it and it says, all right, where am I in terms of eligibility? I am 18 years or older. I have 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, but I'm falling far short of the 10,000 followers. I only have 203. Now, the nice thing is I can tap on notify me when I'm eligible for this. This is the big one, Creator Rewards program, but there are also a lot of other ones like the Creator Marketplace. You can go in and see how close you are to being eligible for this. And if you wanted to sign up, you can just tap on sign up to start selling things, having rewards, work with artists, subscriptions, etc. So I would recommend turning on those notifications so you know when you have access to them. Now, if we go back out of here, you can see when you do start earning money, it will show up at the very top here. So you can see the rewards estimates, the per post, live awards, all that stuff. You'll be able to see how much money you're making. And you can also go into your balance. Now, the nice thing is that you can start getting paid from that balance just by adding a card, basically a PayPal account or a bank account on here. You'll be able to get that money. It says minimum withdrawal is $1 USD. And then basically you can start withdrawing that money after you have an estimated balance, and you can start pulling it back into your bank account.